Well, hello everyone and welcome to this Kajabi tutorial for beginners. This is a complete walkthrough. We are diving into Kajabi, the industry-leading platform that lets you create, market, and sell your expertise through online courses, coaching, memberships, and more. Kajabi is built for entrepreneurs, but getting started can feel overwhelming. And that's why in this complete beginner's walkthrough, we'll give you the roadmap. We'll cover 3 crucial phases. The sign up and setup stage, where we'll be helping you to get your account launched and integrate payments. In phase 2, we'll be talking about the product and the website. And here is where you'll be building your digital offer and professional home. And phase 3, marketing and automation, such as creating funnels to turn visitors into buyers. By the end of this guide, you have the clarity and confidence to launch your first Kajabi product. Before we dive in, I want you to have the key to unlock the platform. So if you want to try it out, you can check out my link down below in the description, as it greatly helps support the channel so I can keep making tutorials just like this. The link often gets you an extended free trial, giving you plenty of time to explore all the features we're about to discuss completely risk-free. So let's get started with the very first step, the sign-up process. Now, in order to sign up for Kajabi, you can follow the link in the description as we mentioned earlier. This will take you to the Kajabi sign up page. And here you have 2 options. You can continue with Google, or you could put in your email and then your password, the basic manual account creation stuff. We're going to click continue with Google. Now, once you get on this page, you'll be requested to put in your card information. But remember, you get a 14-day free trial as it's stated right here. After that, you need to pay this amount. Of course, you have this period of time to try Kajabi out. So as you can see, we have our first name and last name, our email address, and our payment information has been put in. Then we're going to click Start Free Trial. Now on this page, you'll have 3 options. It says, what's your primary goal today? The first option says, I'm already earning consistent revenue online. And the second, I have an audience, but I'm not selling yet. And the third is, I'm starting from scratch with an idea. If you're a beginner, you're most likely in this position. So we're going to choose this and click on continue. However, if you'd like to choose other options, this is pretty much up to you, as Kajabi uses this to personalize your setup and provide recommendations that might align with your goals. So click on continue. Now on this page, you need to provide some information about your business. The first field is to put in your website if you have any. This is optional, of course, but the second one is necessary. Which industry is most relevant to your business? So we're going to click on the drop down, and there are lots of other options, from health to fitness to marketing, photo and video, travel, and languages. So we're going to choose health and fitness, click and continue. Now right here on this next page, you get to set up your brand identity. You'll need to provide information such as your business name, your value proposition, your logo, your favicon, and other customizations that might be necessary. Of course, at the bottom, you can see that this is not necessary at this point, so you can skip it for now if you don't have this information. However, if you do have it, it's the best time to provide this information. So now we have our business name, Wellbit Fitness and Beyond, and we have our value proposition, our logo, favicon, and you have your custom color right here. So you can choose a custom color, and as you're moving it, you can see the changes right here, right? So we're going to leave it right there and then click continue. Now on this page, you get to choose the number of followers you have. You could choose according to what you actually do have. So we're going to choose this as a beginner, and then we could choose our social media platform or not. If you don't want to do that right now, you could go ahead and click on continue after providing this detail. Click on continue. And on the last setup page, you need to provide details such as your address, your city, state, etc. for you to continue. And finally, we're on our dashboard. Now, once you log in and land right here, you find yourself in the Get Started section where you get to build your audience. Now, this is the immediate task center designed to help you launch quickly. Now, there are mainly 2 phases. The first phase is to build your audience, and the second stage is to launch your product. Now, in phase 1, you get some steps to follow. You get to validate your idea, personalize your site, add your details, create your waitlist, connect payments, and you're done with phase 1. Then it's going to take you to phase 2. Now, it is important to note that there are essential settings to follow. At the bottom left corner, you can find your settings button right there, so click on it. Now here, you get to set up your payments like Stripe or PayPal right here. Now this ensures that as soon as you launch your product, you can process sales and get paid. Of course, there are other settings such as checkout, customer payment, and tax, which you'll need to get into. And then when you scroll down a bit, you can see site settings. Here you get to make some changes and edit to your site settings. You have your site details, domain, market settings, email templates, form settings, and you can see all of them. You'll need to explore these in order to make your preference and design your unique page. So now that that's out of the way, we're going to go back to the first page, get started. Now before we go through what we have on the side menu and what they actually do, if you want to try out Kajabi, you can check my link down below in the description, as this greatly supports the channel so we can keep making tutorials just like this. Now when we go over to our dashboard, this is actually your business home base. And this provides an overview of your business performance, key metrics such as net revenue, subscription count, recent activity, and a checklist of suggested steps for launching or for improving your business. As you can see down here, you can see gross revenue, subscription, as we mentioned before. If you'd like to get more out of Kajabi, here are some other communities which you can join, such as the Partner Program, Kajabi University, and Kajabi Experts. And when we go over to the products, this is where you get to build your content. This is actually your control center for creating and managing all your digital offerings. You have online courses, and this is where you can find your structured curriculum with modules and lessons. You also have coaching, and here you'll find tools for managing one-on-one or group coaching programs. As you can see right here, it's ready for you to create your program. Then of course you have your community, where you can have private forums and groups for member engagement like a private social network. So this is great to keep your organic traffic running and respond to questions and topics. Now when we go over to sales, we can click on the drop down, you can see payments, offers, cart, invoices, coupons, and affiliates. Coupons are great for creating discounts, of course, and promotional codes, and affiliates is where you can manage a team of partners who earn commission by promoting your products. So depending on your plan, you'll need to upgrade in order to unlock this. You also have offers, and this is where you get to define the price point of your products, such as a $50 one-time payment or a $5 per month subscription. And then you have the website, where you get to basically design your website, you get to view your website pages, your landing pages, configure your navigation, and also you can have your blog. If you go over to marketing, this is a great tool to help you get more customers. This section contains all the automated tools to attract and convert leads. As you can see down here, you have funnels, email broadcasts, email sequences, events, forms, and landing pages. And here is contacts, which is basically your CRM. This is where you have your database for leads and paying customers. You can segment, tag, and organize your audience right here, allowing you to send targeted marketing messages. And of course, you need to have your analytics to provide you with an overview of how you're doing, and here you'll see where improvement is needed. You can see metrics such as your gross revenue, top offers, gross revenue by payment method, etc. So this gives you an informed insight on how your business is doing. As you can see with Kajabi, there's a lot to be done, but there are lots of benefits at the end of all of this. We've walked you through everything you need to know, from signing up to where you can set up your payments, to building a course and website, and all the functions of the architecture of what we have right here on Kajabi. If you're an entrepreneur looking for the most reliable, professional, and powerful platform to sell your knowledge, Kajabi is the undeniable choice. It eliminates the tech stress and lets you focus on creating the content your audience needs. Your next step, of course, is to get right inside the platform, just as we have, and actually start building. If you'd like to try it out, you can check out the link in the description to get a head start. Using our link helps support the channel so I can keep making videos just like this for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.